back. We are now at the Pearl of Africa. Let's try a boat and see what the Pearl of Africa has and why it's called actually the Pearl of Africa, or the land of, I think, 1,000 hills. Just let me know. Rwanda is 7 hills or 1,000 hills, then Kampala is one of them. So let me know in the comment section below what it is. But let's try and see what this land, the Pearl of Africa, has and what you can do in a day. Spend the day with me. Karibuni. Let's go and see what we have. Say hi, Mom. That's Mom. Okay. My sister. Then we also got someone to take us, a Ugandan. So let's see what he has in store for us. When you go somewhere, the best is always to get a local to take you around so that you also don't get lost. Yesterday, I wish I'd filmed that. We got lost severally, and our Google friend decided to take us into some other places. If you know the woes of using Google Maps sometimes. Yeah, so let's go and see what Uganda has for us. Wasuzotia. That's now saying hello.
In the morning.
Oh, in the morning. Good morning, Wasuzatia. Afternoon. Yes. Wasivyotia. Now we are at their town, the city center. It looks more of like the downtown of Kampala. Yeah, so I'll just give you a sneak preview, then we put our phone safe. Yes. So let me just show you a brief preview, then we'll meet on the other side for what's next. That's Kampala town. We're just going to have a view of what they have, what we can get or what we can shop briefly. Then also maybe some clothes. Uganda is known for their clothes also. The market, it just looks like Isili. Nothing different from what we have in Kenya, but they have really, really good bed sheets. This to eat. This is one of the recommendations, but this is not for authentic Ugandan food, so it's near the Acacia Mall. It's called Meza Shawarma. We've been told they have very nice shawarmas, so we're first trying this, then we go and eat authentic Ugandan food. Yeah. So that's the shawarma. The menu, which is the good ones. Best shawarma.
But even in plain.
So the one that you were telling me about, I don't know.
So you chagua ile mnachukuanga. Me I normally take plates sometimes or just the shawarma. I don't want with chips.
Tender chicken breast.
This is tender marinated mixed wrap.
Or mixed wrap with both. What's the difference between this one and now the mix?
This one they just add chips. They add chips, so you add two. You add how much? 20,000.
This is 16.
So you add.
And then the mix doesn't have chips.
It can have if you need, you can make a mixed shawarma with chips. That's it.
But here at Meza, we've decided to do takeaway for the shawarma. Then we go and eat authentic Ugandan food. This one we have tried because we've had it very sweet. Yeah, so for now, let's go and eat some authentic Ugandan food and see how it tastes and whether we'll enjoy it. it's interesting. In Uganda, when you go late, their local food is over, so we've opted for the supermarket. So for me, I'm having this matoke and some chicken. I'll show you. So yeah, if you're in Uganda and you want authentic local food, do try early before it's over. That's when you'll get it. That's a surprising bit. The local food ends so early. Yeah, so we'll just have the local food from the supermarkets. So the matoke is called beef katogo. So this is the beef katogo or matoke, and then now the grilled chicken. So I'll taste, then I'll give my feedback either in the description box below or in the comment section. It's very nice. The matoke is very nice. You should try it. This is the best view for the Uganda ni English. English na Chiganda. This is the sauce. It's beautiful. Nice, it's so beautiful.
Where's the other girl?
This is the source of the Nile. One of them, the other side, you can view it from the other side of Gingerton. So this is one of the sides. It's so beautiful. Let me go nearer and see if I can give you a nice view. A nice view. On that car, this car building over here.
You have
So it started apparently over there. Started from, I don't know why it's not zooming clearly, but that building is where it started from. And now it's the biggest river in actually Africa. River Nile is the biggest in Africa. So pretty, the Nile. Then we have seen the source, that building. Apparently the water just started bubbling up from there to become the biggest river in Africa. Connections amjaambiwa karibu nyumbani. Mimi nishaambiwa. So we are now finally back in Kenya after some few days in Uganda. We've managed to go to several places. The Namugongo one, which was actually a very good idea because we didn't know even when we were planning to come. And then we visited the town, the Kampala city, and saw their shops and the market. Then we've also been able to see the Nile and the source of the River Nile. Yes, so hopefully next time we'll be able to go now to the other side of Uganda and maybe even cross Rwanda. You never know, so keep it locked, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Till next time, to see where we'll be. Goodbye.